Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share YouTube videos to Facebook on your desktop or your mobile phone. So what you have to do is, first of all, let me gonna show you through my desktop. So what you have to do is, first of all, open up any of your browser and simply go to youtube.com and simply open up the video in the YouTube in which you want to share through Facebook. So for example, this is the video. I want to share this video on my Facebook account. So what I have to do is, first of all, I have to just simply open up this video. So after opening up that specific video, what you have to do is just simply go to here is the share button. You have to just simply click on it to share, expand the menu. Here what you have to do is just simply click on copy link, or you guys can directly share the Facebook with the help of this button, but I'm just gonna copying this. So simply click on this copy button. So after clicking on copy, you guys can see the link, yeah, link copied to clipboard. So after that, you have to just simply open up another tab and open up the facebook.com. Here you guys can see the Facebook has been opened to you. Now here what you have to do is just simply click on it. This is to post. So what you have to do is just simply write any specific caption like new video. So after adding that specific caption, you have to just simply paste the link here. So after pasting the link here, you guys can see it will automatically encrypt it to the YouTube link, and you guys can see the thumbnail has been displaying here. So you have to just simply select the audience by just tapping on this to select the post audience, and you guys can also do lots more stuff like just adding another photo or video, or tagging the people, or adding the feeling activity, or adding the locations, or you guys can directly share and use another options. So after selecting the complete post adjustment, you have to just simply go to this next button and simply click on next to post the video of the YouTube on your Facebook. So this is for the desktop. Now what I have to do is, I'm just coming to mobile phone, and let me to show you how you can do this step on mobile phone. So here I'm gonna tell you how you can share YouTube videos on your mobile phone through to your Facebook account. So what you have to do is just simply open up YouTube application. So after opening up the YouTube application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply select that specific post which you want to post on Facebook. So I'm just selecting that specific video. So what you have to do is, let's suppose this is the video I want to select it. So I have to just simply click on these three dots. So after clicking on these three dots of that specific video, you have to just simply select the share button here. You guys can see here is a share button, and simply hit the copy link button. So after copying the link, you have to just simply open up the Facebook application. So I'm just searching for Facebook. So after searching for Facebook, simply open up the Facebook application. Now here you have to just simply go to the what's on your mind section, which is here, by just posting. So here you have to simply add a caption of that specific video, like I'm just saying the video is here. So what you have to do is just simply paste that specific link here. So I'm just pasting the link here. It will redirect the YouTube video here, and you have to simply click on next to, or you guys can also adjust the privacy or emojis or feelings, or tag the people, or adding the location. So after successfully setting up, you have to simply go to next and simply click on the post to post the video on Facebook. So this is the way to post your YouTube videos to Facebook on your mobile phone. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.